Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about a topic which is specially dedicated to car lovers. How to take care of our cars during this lockdown period. So what are the points to be taken care while this period with our car? Here we go. Start your car engine once in every 3 days to stop the battery dying situation. If you're going to park your car for a long period, put the car in gear or park mode instead of pulling up the handbrake. If you're having indoor car parking facility, use that or use a car cover. If the car is parked on the same spot for more than a week, move forward or backward slightly to avoid flat spots on the tires.